Creating a new client. Shortcuts Live helps you to create important client connections by gathering valuable information that you can use to engage your clients and market your business. In this lesson, you'll learn how to add a new client and complete the client card. From Operations, select Clients. Click Add and enter the new client's details, remembering that red highlighted fields are mandatory. Ensure the status toggle is set to active and that all the contact details you have entered are correct. This is important for confirming appointments and marketing to your clients. Ask the client if they are willing to accept promotional material and move the toggle to Yes if they are happy to do so. Add alert messages for warnings or special instructions, for example allergies or a history of no-shows. This alert is displayed when the client is selected in the appointment book and point of sale, as well as in the transaction history. If you have an image of your client, you can add this to their card. Simply click Choose File and select the image to upload. Complete the other information fields as required, such as a reference number or barcode, and if the client is to receive tax-exempt products and services, ensure this toggle is set to Yes. Click Done to save. In this lesson, you've learned how to add a new client and complete the client card.